Ever wondered how the simple act of breathing can drastically improve your life? Welcome to Unwind and Thrive, Mindful Breathwork for a Balanced Life. This course delves into the art and science of breathwork, unlocking the powerful benefits of conscious breathing. We'll explore the biology of breathing, breathwork terminology, and how to set intentions. You'll learn various breathing techniques, cultivate breath awareness, and discover how to integrate breathwork into your everyday life. Discover the transformative power of breathwork in this comprehensive course. Understanding breathwork begins with knowing its foundations. Let's start with the biology of breathing. Our breath is the life force that fuels our body, affecting everything from our heart rate to our energy levels. When you master your breath, you master your well-being. Next, we dive into breathwork terminology. Like any discipline, breathwork has its jargon. Terms like diaphragmatic breathing, box breathing, and bellows breath might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break them down into simple, digestible concepts. Setting intentions is another crucial part of the process. What do you want to achieve with breathwork? Perhaps you're seeking stress relief, improved concentration, or deeper sleep. Your intention will guide your practice and help you reap the benefits of mindful breathing. Lastly, preparing your space and mindset is essential. Create a calm, quiet area for practice, and enter the space with an open, receptive mind. With a solid foundation, you're ready to explore breathwork techniques. Now it's time to dive into the heart of breathwork, the techniques, and the awareness. Let's start with the foundational breathing technique, known as the diaphragmatic breath. This is all about learning to breathe deeply, filling your lungs fully, and emptying them completely. It's like giving your body a full oxygen refresh. Imagine inflating a balloon in your belly with each inhale, and deflating it with each exhale. This type of breathing encourages full oxygen exchange, which is beneficial for your body and brain. Moving on, we have the box breathing technique, a powerful stress reducer. Picture a square box. Each side of the box represents a count of 4. Inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and hold the breath out for another 4. This technique is like a mini meditation, helping to clear the mind and calm the body. Next, we have the 4-7-8 breath, a technique designed for relaxation and sleep. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This longer exhale triggers the body's natural relaxation response, setting the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Now let's look at breath awareness and observance. Mindful breathing is about cultivating awareness, being present with each breath. It's about noticing the breath, not controlling it. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. This practice can help you stay grounded in the present moment. Next, we have the body scan meditation. This combines breath and body awareness. As you breathe, mentally scan your body from head to toe, noticing any tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension, promoting relaxation and well-being. These are just some of the techniques you can use to cultivate breath awareness and observance. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about practice. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. With these techniques and awareness practices, you're well on your way to integrating breathwork into your daily life. Breathwork is not a one-time practice, it's a lifestyle change. As we move through our day, breathwork can become a grounding force, guiding us from morning awakening to midday slumps, and finally, to evening relaxation. Imagine starting your day with a round of energizing Bhastrika breaths, filling your body with vitality. In the afternoon, when energy levels dip, a few cycles of box breathing can provide a rejuvenating break. And for the evenings, consider the 4-7-8 technique, a perfect prelude to a restful night's sleep. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Yes, challenges will arise. You might struggle with maintaining consistency or encounter physical discomfort. Remember, it's okay to have questions and face obstacles. That's part of the journey. Common queries range from, how long should I practice each day, to, is it normal to feel dizzy? Embrace these as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Remember, breathwork is a journey, not a destination. Breathwork has the power to transform your life. We've journeyed through the foundations, techniques, and integration of breathwork into daily life, and tackled common obstacles. This course unlocks the ability to breathe deeply, reduce stress, energize, and enhance focus. It's about cultivating awareness, overcoming midday slumps, and relaxing into the evening. It's a holistic approach to a balanced life. Ready to start your breathwork journey? Enroll in the Unwind and Thrive, Mindful Breathwork for a Balanced Life course today. Breathe in, breathe out, and begin your transformation.